In this video, I'll show you how to send admin access via a link in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to head over to the very bottom where it has your profile. And on the right-hand side, simply click on the cog for settings. Now, once you are on the settings page, what you want to do is head over to the left-hand side. And at the bottom, simply click on permissions and ownership. Once you are on the permissions and ownership tab, what you want to do is simply click on the only option, which is permissions and ownership. Now from here, what you want to do is simply invite a contributor. To invite a contributor, simply head over below permissions and you will have two options, either invite a contributor or add a basic author. What you want to do is simply click on invite contributor. Once you do that, a tab will open and in here you can add your contributor information. What is very essential and what you need to do is under the contributor tab, you have to add their name and below as well as the email address wherein it will send the link. Now, below the contributor tab, you will have the global option. In here, you can either set them as an administrator, and on the right hand side, if you toggle this on, it will toggle all of the options here below. Now, if you only want to add specific things in which they can do, just simply toggle administrator off. Now you can set them to be a website editor on the website section. They can manage the website, analytics, be a comment moderator, as well as a viewer. Below the selling, they can be a store manager, and in here, they can manage orders, edit the content, as well as receive store information. At the bottom, you can add them to email campaigns, and in here, they can be an email campaign editor. On the scheduling tab, they can be a scheduling administrator. On the scheduling, you will see that scheduling view and edit, as well as scheduling view only, is grayed out. The reason for this is they have to be an administrator. If you click on the scheduling administrator here, it will still be grayed out. So what you want to do is simply head over to the very top where it says global. And from here, just simply toggle on administrator. Now, if you scroll down to scheduling, as you can see, it is now toggled on. And once you're ready to send the invite, simply head over to the bottom and right hand side and click on invite. Now, once you click on invite, it will automatically send them an email through the email that you added within the contributor, and they will receive a link. And from that link, what they have to do is just simply accept your invite. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.